BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So unfortunately, Microsoft has once again issued another warning about another known issue regarding Windows 11, and this time it's only affecting once again Windows 11 version 22H2. And the problem, according to this post by Microsoft over on their support website, is that users may experience problems launching certain apps after performing a system restore. So if you have recently performed a system restore and you've created a restore point and you've rolled your system back to that restore point, there are a couple of issues that Microsoft has mentioned in that post that you could be experiencing, where they say that some Windows applications that use the M6 Windows App Package format may experience any of the following symptoms. Now, just before we get into these symptoms, apps that are affected after performing a system restore are apps like Notepad, Paint, Office, Cortana, and Terminal. So if you have any of those apps that have been experiencing any issues after performing a recent system restore, then this is the reason why. Now, some of these symptoms, according to Microsoft, say that there could be an error message that the app can't open, and that is displayed instead of the app starting. The app might have multiple entries on the start menu. So as an example, if you are using Notepad, as mentioned, and you have that in your start menu, it may have multiple entries, be that on your pinned apps or in the actual all apps list. So that's another symptom. The app may not respond when you try to start the app. An input-output error may occur, followed by the app not responding, and then the app crashes. And the last symptom is that if you try to start the app again, the app now runs. Now, as mentioned, those affected apps are Terminal, Cortana, Office, Paint, and Notepad. And basically the workaround is this. Microsoft says to work around the issue, do one of the following. Basically, close the app and then head back, say, as an example, to Notepad, because that's one of the apps affected, and restart the app again. They say that try restarting the app again. Try reinstalling the app from the Windows Store. So you can always head over to the Windows Store and try reinstalling that app, and also try reinstalling the app from the original source from which it was first installed. And then try running Windows Update. For some strange reason, Microsoft says that Windows Update could resolve the issue. So that could most probably be because of updates that you haven't installed, recent updates, cumulative updates, as an example, bug fix updates. So if you haven't installed any recent updates, or maybe you've had your updates on pause, as an example, then just go and check for updates and install any updates that are pending. So that's more or less the symptoms and the workaround, as mentioned, and I will leave a link to the app can't open error message when starting a Windows app in Windows 11 version 22H2. I'll leave a link to this post in the description, as it will just give you a little bit more info. And at this stage, Microsoft hasn't acknowledged that they are going to be rolling out a fix. So they have acknowledged the issue, but there is no fix currently that's on the way. So we certainly hope that Microsoft does roll out a fix sooner than later, hopefully in the C release update, which we are expecting to see roll out starting next week towards the end of the month, which will be the first bug fix update. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.